Today we're going to be looking at how to plot coordinates on a coordinate plane. To show this, we have a couple of examples that we're going to work through together here, so let's get started. Now, before we begin plotting or graphing our ordered pairs, we need to go over a few things. So looking over to the right-hand side here, we can see that we have a coordinate plane. Specifically, we're looking at the first quadrant, so in this video, we're going to be dealing exclusively with positive numbers. So now we need to label our x and our y axis. Well, our horizontal axis, or the side-to-side axis, is our x-axis. So we're going to label our x-axis to the right and at the bottom of our coordinate plane with just a big old X. Now that leaves us with our vertical axis, or our up and down axis, and that's our y-axis. So we're going to label our y-axis to the left and on the top of our coordinate plane by just writing a big old Y. There's one more point here that we do need to label, and that's our origin, or our starting point. And the location of our origin is always at 0, 0. So we're going to represent that origin here by just writing a little square to show that any time we're plotting a coordinate on a coordinate plane, we're going to be starting at this point here because that's always going to be our origin. Now we see on the left-hand side here that we have a bunch of different numbers here written within parentheses. And these numbers that are written within parentheses are our ordered pairs, or our coordinates. And these coordinates are always written with the x-coordinate first and the y-coordinate second. Just like we see highlighted in yellow, x always comes before y. So for the first set of coordinates here, we have the numbers 5, 2. So we're going to label our first number here with an x because x always comes before y. And then we're going to label our 2 here with a y for our y-coordinate. Now we're actually going to plot this coordinate of 5, 2 on our coordinate plane. And to do this, we're going to start it at our origin, and then we're going to start by finding our x-coordinate. Well, for the first one, our x-coordinate is 5, so we're going to underline our 5 here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to jump up 2 spaces because we can see that our y-coordinate is 2. So we're going to jump up once and twice, and then we're going to label this coordinate by just putting a nice little circle there, and then we're going to write out our coordinate within parentheses as well. So we're going to write out our 5, 2. Now let's move on to our second coordinate. Well, we remember that x always comes before y, so we're just going to write an x and then a y so we don't get confused. And then you'll remember that we always start out at our origin, and then we're going to move along our x-axis first to find our x-coordinate. Well, in this case, our x-coordinate is 3, so we're going to underline the 3 for our x-coordinate, but then we can see here that our y-coordinate is 9. So we're going to jump up all the way up to almost the top, because that's where our y-coordinate is, and then we're going to just plot this coordinate point using a little circle, and then we're going to label it. So our coordinate points here were 3 and 9. Now we're going to move on to our third coordinate point here, and once again we're going to label it x and y because x always comes before y. And we can see here that working from our origin that along our x-axis our x-coordinate is 7, so we're going to underline our 7 here. But this is something that we haven't seen here. Our y-axis is actually 0. So we're not going to be jumping up at all. The y-axis of 0 is going to mean that we're just going to put a big old dot right here along the x-axis line because we don't have to jump up at all. So once again, we are going to write this axis out in parentheses on the coordinate plane. Now moving on to our last coordinate where we have the ordered pair 8 and 6. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to label both of these coordinates. So we have our x-coordinate and we have our y-coordinate. Then we're going to plot this coordinate on our coordinate plane, and we're going to do this by starting at our origin and then moving along the x-axis to our x-coordinate, which in this case is 8. So we're going to underline the 8, and then we're going to go all the way up to our y-coordinate, which in this case is 6. So we're going to go all the way up, and then we're going to be located somewhere around here. And then once again, we're going to label this coordinate. So this coordinate is 8, 6. So hopefully by now you understand how to plot coordinates on a coordinate plane. Help make math less complicated by smashing those like and subscribe buttons. As always, enjoy today's math journey.